Hi guys, this is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center again here in Abilene. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day today. I know there's a lot of bad stuff going on in our world, but we got a great thing going today, and that is we're going to take a look at the Cheyenne Model 3330. This is the exterior view. They've done a combination of the lap siding with the standard siding, shuttered windows. We put a big metal awning across the front of this home, which you can certainly do on site. It's a 50-year warranty exterior siding. This is a really big house, big 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a lot of space, a little over 2,000 square feet. You step into the home, you get a gorgeous, gorgeous look at the living room and the kitchen. It's a big front living room. Lots of space in here. 8-foot tall flat ceilings in it. Ceiling fans are already installed and mounted up. Close that front door and make it a lot less noisy. This home features a really open floor plan, as you can tell in here with the big dining area. I love the look of the floors that are in here. This is a wood plank finished linoleum. The big jumbo island. It's got the accent box over the top of the island and lots of cabinets. We'll step over here into the kitchen and kind of show you these cabinets. These are a wood cabinet door. GE appliances are included. It's got the dual well sink with the big pull-out faucet and nice big windows here at the sink as well. Here in the island, you've got additional cabinet storage space. There's outlets on both ends of this island, and then it opens into this really nice front living room. One of the really nice features that I like in here too is the microwave being built in. So you've got freedom of your counter space. You've got outlets all the way around here in the kitchen. Just on that wall alone, there's 5 of them. And again, you come back to that big pull-out faucet, stainless steel sink, 2 more outlets over on this end. The cubbies overhead give you a place to put all of your decor and knickknacks. It's got the upgraded, we call it soft sand crown molding in it. And then it's got a huge, big walk-in pantry for folks that like to volume purchase. Lots and lots of space in here, and this pantry comes in and goes all the way around this corner. So it's quite a large pantry in here. Good storage for you. And then again, we'll kind of look back out here at this living room. This is really a nice open floor plan with a lot of space in it. When you come down the hallway, you'll see we've got 3 bedrooms on this end of the home. The guest bathroom is an oversized guest bathroom. It has the dual china sinks with individual mirrors, and then a single piece, or I'm sorry, it's not a single piece, it's a 3-piece tub shower combination back in here. And then the bedrooms are all pretty good sized, easily accommodate queen beds, full beds. Hard to give you a perspective, but they're good sized rooms. They've got nice closet space in them. I like that the closets in here are all on the center wall of the home, so you can you get extra height in your closets. They go all the full 8-foot height, and then you've got room to do double racks if you want to. 2 more bedrooms back here. This is another one of the larger bedrooms. All of the lighting that's in here is done with the LED recessed can lights. All of the heat and AC venting comes in from the ceiling, so you've got overhead vents in it. You've got freedom of furniture placement all the way through the whole home. Again, another good closet here. And then we'll come back down the hallway and I'll show you the master bedroom. One of the largest masters that we've got in production for our homes. Again, another good look at this front living room. Entry doors over there. This bedroom back here is a little over 18 feet by 16 feet. Huge, 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 big open space master bedroom. And then it's got a really nice walk-in closet back here. You can see that there's a lot of space in here. If you wanted to put a dresser or something like that, you could do that. You can double rack this if you want. Kind of show that. And then one of my favorite spots in this house is the master bathroom. It comes to a dual vanity setup with the drawer bank in between, flanked by the big soaker tub. Soaker tub rests underneath these two big privacy windows. So you get a lot of natural light, but you don't sacrifice the privacy. On this side is a really cool vanity area. Linen storage. Semi-private commode position back here, and then another closet. And in this closet, it's kind of cool. It has a second closet that enters in here that can be used for seasonal storage or a gun safe. You've got a little seat area back here with cubbies for towels. Got towel racks already installed, overhead cubbies, and it's got a huge, huge big shower. Now, hopefully you'll be able to get the dimension of the shower, kind of get an idea of just how big it is, but it is a very large shower with the Rainbird shower head in it and the handheld wand there to the side. And your big soaker tub. And then coming back into that big bedroom. I hope this kind of gives you an idea, but this bedroom is really, really large. Again, it already has the ceiling fan installed in it and the overhead vents. This is the Cheyenne model 3330. A wonderful, wonderful family home. Somebody that wants a lot of space. This is a really keen layout that has been used by a lot of families to provide them with space but still keep it affordable. If you'd like some more information on this home, I'd be happy to share that with you. You can call me at 325-480-0035, or you can give me an email to BillW@Oak Creek Homes here in Abilene. It's at oakcreekhomes.com, sorry. And that's kind of the tour of the house. Hope that you enjoyed it. I look forward to hearing from you.